Guys, April 1st, 2022, April Fool's Day. So whenever I gotta go turn water back onto a house that I winterized, I had an issue with a couple of LP tanks that they didn't want to fill. I usually winterize a house anyway, but there was a problem with the drain on a water tank was an issue. Well, I gotta find out if it's got a bad washer, or I might have to change that drain on a water heater before I put the water back on. He had a problem with the propane tanks. They didn't want to put propane in it, but he usually winterizes the house anyway, because it's kind of like a summer home. And say they leave the heat on all winter, it's gonna cost them $1,000 to heat the house in the winter. They winterize it. They can probably winterize the whole thing for like $300-400, you know. So they actually save money, and if the power goes out, they don't freeze the house up. So they're better off winterizing it. A lot of these people, they winterize, they don't have to worry about it, right? They just come back in the summer and turn the water back on. It makes a lot of sense. The way things are now with the prices, it'd probably be $2,000 to heat it for the winter, maybe more. Wasn't cheap. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots if I can. The homeowner's going to be over there, being a helicopter type, I think. Miss Mahali. Princess. I trimmed some of her hair coming out of her ears. Trimmed her back a little bit. Getting a little gamey there, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you're looking at all the balls and all your long hair coming out of your ears, getting all kind of stuff on it. I trimmed that, probably cut off like 3 inches off each side. Miss Molly in her hair. Witchy here. You got witchy here coming out of your ears. Miss Molly. Not easy. But it don't break. If it does, we'll be screwed. Not easy. the loft of this thing, so. See if I can find something that's going to work there. One inch. No work in there. Perfect. Seem to want to go in there, right? Kind of odd. This is going in there, right? The other one wasn't in much, was it? Yeah, I guess it was in quite a bit. Leak. Guess we'll find out, won't we? if it leaks or not. Water's back on. Make sure that it's shutting off. It is. I don't see any leaks, that's good.
Yeah.
I mean, you never know, right? That's a good height. And so, it looks fine, I don't see no dripping. Water filter reset button, did you see that up there?
Yeah.
What the hell's that all about?
I don't know.
Maybe once you put the new filter in, you hit the reset button and it goes on a timer.
Oh, okay.
I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I'm just hoping this thing don't leak over here. Now, you want me to turn the outside faucet on or no?
Yeah.
I think it might be a little early yet. I don't see any leaks.
Freeze? Yeah, let's not do it yet.
Yeah, you know how to turn that on downstairs, right? Yeah, I don't see it dripping. I don't see it dripping, so that's good. I mean, that's better than that plastic one we had in there.